Are you still a manual trader? Do you want to have the most advanced smart money indicator? I have created one for you and it's for free. Stay tuned. When I was manual trader, I was using smart money concepts to do trading. So today I decided to create a smart money indicator and share it with my community, as I noticed that we have several manual traders still in our community. So let's go to the indicator, the first concept. If you go to the structure, you paint what's the highest high and the lowest high and lowest low and lowest high. And then in green, you will see when you change the structure to a bullish market. You see the bias, you can see in minute 15 we are bear, in H1 we are bear, but in H4 we are bullish. The next concept is the order blocks. The order blocks you will see in the PowerPoint that I'm going to share later. The order blocks marked, depends if we are bullish, mark the latest bearish candle, and if we are bearish, it marks the latest bullish candle before the impulse, right? So if you click on OB order block, it will mark you the order blocks. Let's continue with another concept. You will see that we have other concepts like breaker, but this breaker, I didn't do it in the indicator. I didn't think it was fundamental, so I only did the fundamental ones. The fair value gaps is an imbalance, right? And the inverse fair value gap is the opposite, but it will act as a resistance, right? The other one acts as a support and the other one as a resistance. So if you go here, you can see how it acts as an imbalance. It's a bit slow, so you can see this and the other one. Let's go to the other one. It's a proper imbalance, an inefficiency of two consecutive candles where one body range doesn't overlap the next. So here you will see, if you go to all of imbalance, you can see the imbalances here. It takes a bit of time, but it detects. You see here, this is an imbalance. Let's go to the other one, the liquidity, where we have the money. Normally the price comes here to breaks and take all the liquidity of the market. So if you click on here, it will mark all the liquidities that we have in the market. That's a very good concept. This concept I didn't consider as fundamental. I just put it here, but I didn't put it in the indicator. Then equals highs and equal lows. You see, when you have highs and highs that are equal, it marks them. Low and low, it will mark high and high that are two highs, it mark them. Another concept is premium discount equilibrium. It marks the highest and the low and the in the middle. So yeah, it was there marked as already. So you see here, equal high, equal low, and it marks the middle. Then the optimal trade entry is a Fibonacci retracement 0.75%. So I'm gonna turn off all and this one. So from this all impulse, you mark you the 0.70, which is the 75%. Then the sessions, the another one is sessions, Asia, London, and New York. It marks like this. I think I finished with all of them. Yeah. If you want to have this indicator, which goes in MetaTrader market for $70 or $150, click on the link below. I'm going to share it with you. And also I'm sharing this PowerPoint with the explanations and the manual, which has the indications, the guides to install the indicator, and also brief explanation for each indicator and how you configure. Thank you for watching. See you later.